Taiwan na India ga culture amadi economic ki oiba lamda punna Chatminnaningli gi apamba utlakle wafamasi Taiwan gi Minister for Foreign Affairs Dr. Joseph Wu na tha asigi April 13 gi 18 fauba India, Japan, South Korea, New Zealand amadi Taiwan dagi paumi singna sarukya aduna enhancing regional connections haiba hiramda Taiwan da pangthokiba Indo-Pacific Journalist Study Tour and Dialogue 2024 gi thauramda phongdokhibane thauramadu Dr. Wu na India amadi Taiwan gi marakta lairiba culture amadi economy gi mari asi hena chetsil hanba mathau tai haiba wafam thamladuna leibak ani asina paikhatminariba thabak thauram kaya asi khumang yang na changsinna ba hotnaba da thengnariba khudong chadaba sing asi punna khangdoktuna lambi ama yatpa mathau tai haike Taiwan gi foreign minister asina makhata na lakadawriba chahi kayada Taiwan amadi India gi marakta movie haksel education amadi agricultural gi lamda hena fagatlakani haibagi thajaba lay Taiwan laingak nasu hiram sing asi mai pakna ba thabak sing su atubada paikhat pa hauragani haike thauramadu da impact news ke associate editor Joyshri Ushamna Dr. Wu da China na ayamba matamda Arunachal Pradesh ki sarukharabu China gi nihai na claim tauri Indo-Myanmar border state ama oiriba Manipur da violence amadi insurgency gi thabak thauram singda China gi khut yauramba yabagi oithokpa leibra haibagi wafam pukhatki thauramadu da Dr. Wu na chapchana paukhumdi pirakhide adubu China na leibak ayambada khut thingzinbagi thabak chathariba asida malem gi leibak kayana yaningdaba phongdokli leibak Kharagi election singda cyberspace ki khuthangda ayet apan pibagi thabak chathariba asina democracy da chawna akaiba piri India ge hojik pangthokliba election asida su China na cyberspace sizinaduna aranba wafam kaya sandoklamba yai asigumba thabak asi matau karam na thengnagani haibagi matangda Taiwan na makhoi gi experience adu share tawba mathau tai haiki
Cultural heritage of India is always attracting the Taiwanese people, and I myself is being attracted to India as well. In the last few years, we try to celebrate Diwali here in Taiwan. I'm so attracted to the Indian culture. It is fantastic to be able to enjoy this Indian culture here. And other than Diwali, there was also the first holy celebration here in Taiwan. Election interference, but in a short answer, we know that this is a problem for Taiwan. And we also know that this can be a very serious problem for fellow democracies. For example, India is running election right now, and I'm sure there's no shortage of disinformation initiated by the PRC. Taiwan needs to share its experience of how to deal with disinformation with fellow democracies.